Hey there, guys. This is a new episode, and in this episode, I'm going to teach you how to divide fractions and just go over generic concepts of how to divide fractions. So, we've done addition of fractions, we've done subtraction, we've done multiplication. Now we're doing division. So, we're going to start with the keep, change, or flip principles. That's what the KCF stands for. So, I'll fill this in. So, this is how you want to evaluate dividing fractions. You start with keeping them, and then you're going to change. You're going to keep, change, flip. So that's what this stands for. That is the dividing fractions principle. So that's when we want to evaluate fractions. What we want to do is we want to keep the first term. So the first term is like this right here. Let's say this one right here. We want to keep the first part, keep the first fraction. We want to change the sign from division to multiplication because we don't like division. Division can be confusing. We want to multiply stuff, and then we flip the last fraction. So in our first example here, so you have a over b times a over b. We're going to keep the first fraction the same, and then we're going to change the sign to multiplication. And now we flip the last fraction. See, do you see that last step? We flipped from a over b to b over a. And now we have a situation where we can rewrite this as a over b divided by b times a. And by commutative property, those will always be the same. So you can just cancel this out and you're left with 1. So that's the answer to the first one. All right, I'll give you a second to work on the second example here. All right, so in this one we do the exact same thing. We're going to keep the first fraction. We're going to change the sign from division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the second fraction. So now you just do simple multiplication. This becomes 4 over 3. And that's correct. All right, we'll do one more example, and then, or maybe a couple more. Just so you can get into the flow of dividing fractions. I'll keep the keep, change, flip up. All right, so I'll go two more examples. We'll go 2 over 7 divided by 5 over 3. And do 1/2 divided by 7. All right, so 2 over 7. Gonna erase this, make this a little neater. Okay, 2 over 7 divided by 5 over 3. So you do the exact same thing. We keep the first fraction the same. We change the second fraction. We change the second sign. We flip the second fraction. So 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 5 is 35. Same here. 1/2 divided by 7. 1/2 times 1 over 7. Keep the first fraction. We change the sign and we flip the second fraction. So this becomes 1 over 14. All right. So those are the examples for today. I hope you enjoyed dividing fractions. Just remember to keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, you change the sign, and you flip the second one in that order. That's why it's called keep, change, flip. Enjoy your day, guys.